In this video, I'll be showing you how to use focus mode in File Launcher. So to begin, head over to the settings by tapping here or swiping up like this and then selecting settings. Next, tap focus mode. What you need to do is tap focus apps. So here, choose the apps that you use, like you need to use every time, like apps that are not too distracting for you, because focus mode is to stop you from being distracted all the time. So choose your favorite apps. For me, I have selected YouTube and YouTube Music. In case I may be doing something and I want some music, that's why YouTube Music is selected. And for YouTube, sometimes I listen to podcasts, so I just let the video play in the background. So those are the two apps I'm selecting, but you can go ahead and choose any app you want. After that, come to shortcuts and tap this icon over here. So choose what you want in the bottom left corner of your screen. For me, I think the contacts app is a good one, so that if I want to make a call, I can choose that one. I think this is what you get by default. And then on the right, I don't have anything selected yet, so tap it and then select an app. So you can choose a browser, any app that you want. So for me, I have I'll choose a browser. Let's try Quetta, and I'll choose an icon. So this is the browser icon, and then I'll tap save. And down here, there's the way to unlock the focus mode. So you can either use a random password or you create your own custom password. If you're really serious with focus mode, I would recommend you select random password. And this one, I don't really know how it works, but I just keep it activated. Okay, so if you want, you can hide the clock so you don't get to see the time, but I don't think that's necessary. Okay, so after you're done with the settings, all you need to do is tap this, and it's going to say you're now entering focus mode. And this is what your home screen is going to look like. So you can't access any apps. You only have YouTube and YouTube Music, and then the time. And down here you have your phone calls and your browser. So you won't even see notifications unless you swipe down to check. So if the icon is not there, then maybe you're not going to feel the need to swipe down to view your notifications. So that's it. I can't view anything besides YouTube. So let's tap YouTube, and as you can see, the app launched. Over YouTube Music would launch. And if I tap here, I'll open my dialer app. I'm not going to do that because of privacy. And if I tap here, I can open my browser. So after you're done with focus mode and you want to be able to view all your apps, you just need to long press. So a random code will be generated for you. You have to type the code. A new code is generated every time. So even if you memorize this, it's not going to appear again next time, so it's going to be useless for you to memorize it. Okay, so right now I am still in focus mode because, as you can see, it is asking me to pause. So all I need to do is tap here and focus mode will be paused. And yeah, that's how you use it. So if I go back to the home page now, I'll be able to view other apps. So if you don't like the focus mode random password, you can come here and create your own password, and yeah, that's after doing it, tap done. I don't even remember my old password because it is asking me for the current password. Anyways, so that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.